Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Making Money Online video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of making some good money over the web. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate making money online in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 5 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1, Basics of Making Money Online. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what's making money online all about, why you should make money online, what are the most common ways to make money online, and what you need to make money online. Section 2, Easy Ways to Make Money Online. In videos 5 through 7, we'll talk about making easy money online by taking surveys, making easy money online by testing stuff, and making easy money online by performing easy tasks. Section 3, Advanced Ways to Make Money Online. In videos 8 through 11, we'll talk about blogging, freelancing, email marketing, and webinar marketing. Section 4, Establishing an Online Business Empire. In videos 12 through 16, we'll talk about info product launching, software product launching, creating and selling high-ticket products, establishing an online business empire with Fiverr, and launching your coaching program. Section 5, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's to apply, don'ts to avoid, premium tools and services to consider, and shocking case studies. Well, it's time for you to start making some good money online. I know you'll love this training. Welcome to Section 1 of our Make Money Online video training. In this section, we'll talk about what's making money online all about, why you should make money online, what are the most common ways to make money online, and what you need to make money online. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What's making money online all about? Money has become the foundation for all deeds on our planet, and man has found innumerable ways to earn these dollars and pound notes for himself. One of the ways to make money, where you don't need to invest huge amounts of it, is through the biggest revelation of this century, the Internet. With the horizons of the Internet spreading far and wide, the ways in which you can earn money have become enormous. What making money online actually means. One of the key concepts to understand how to make money online is learning the deep meaning of the subject. Making money online is a very wide concept, and it is a young industry with not many people understanding it. Remember, when you understand a concept, you'll succeed in that area. Understanding what it is will help you become a successful marketer and entrepreneur. Making money online can represent a variety of things. It can be as simple as filling out surveys for points on a site, which converts into real-life items. Out of this variety of jobs, one thing is in common. The output of your input is money or something of value. Can you make money online as a service provider? The benefits of the Internet go beyond searching for information needed for any desired topic. People remain in touch with each other through social media sites, and countless businesses rely on the web to succeed. Most manufacturers and service providers can be reached through the net. The Internet has facilitated quick and efficient communications while offering many channels for entertainment. Apart from these well-known benefits, the net is also being exploited for making money online. Many professionals claim to survive with the money generated through online sources. Students are also making money through the net. In fact, there are hundreds of ways to make money by working online. Money can be made online through the rendering of services like article writing, affiliate marketing, owning a website or blog, and becoming a virtual assistant for an online company. Through these services, dollars can be made online. However, making money has never been easy, and that remains valid for online money too. One also needs to be aware of the different available opportunities for making money through the Internet and recognize the most suitable one. Can you make money online as a business owner? Another way for online money making includes your knowledge of business. The internet is the most efficient and easy way of buying and selling when owning a store at online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Fiverr, and so on. eBay is very popular today, and it is one of the largest marketplaces online. On eBay, you can not only buy, but also sell. You can use this site for buying things at lower prices and selling them for higher prices to earn profits. With online sales continuously on the rise, selling products to web shoppers is a worthwhile path to follow for business purposes. Can you make money online as a regular online user? Being a regular online user creates an opportunity for your knowledge to make you money through the use of the internet. Money can be made through provisions of professional and specialized observations based on your field of expertise. Here you can choose whether you want to work solely online or combine face-to-face services with your digital ones. Why you should make money online. Internet technology has changed our lives forever. It has opened up unlimited opportunities to market our products, services, and information. Also, it has become the new frontier for finding ways to earn money. We live in a world where the economy is often a little unsettled, to say the least, and unemployment is soaring in many areas. This is all the more reason why you should think about part-time online income from home. Awesome benefits. Even if you have a full-time job, earning money online can be an extra income option. There are many reasons why you should make money online. Work from home. There is nothing better than working from home. You can avoid heavy traffic each morning while not wasting money on gas. Plus, not having to set the alarm is a good feeling as well. Making your own hours allows you to go to work whenever you feel. This means you can go out with friends on a weeknight without feeling too tired the next day. People who know you will be jealous of the fact that your commute is nothing more than going downstairs after you wake up. Online revenue can be passive. You don't have to put in any work to see results necessarily. Writers can post an article once and get paid for the rest of their lives. Bloggers can get paid through advertising revenue. Generating this passive revenue means you don't have to work for your money. You could pay for a vacation, send your kids to college, or retire early thanks to this new revenue source. Freedom to work anywhere at any time. This is the first and most important thing to consider when the idea to start earning money from the internet pops into your head. The ability to take your work with you anywhere matters a lot, because you will be able to meet deadlines and satisfy your customers. The freedom for you to work anywhere also makes the work fun and less stressful, instead of sitting in an office in one particular spot overworking yourself. Deal with whomever you want. You can choose who you want to work with when you work online. Picking your clients allows you to develop relationships with people who share your vision. Work is a lot more fun when you are working on things that matter to you. Writing about your favorite cause is more fun than spending your day ringing up groceries. Also, not having a boss to contend with is a huge relief. Most online work is either freelance or independent contractor work. Broaden your horizons. For most people, making money online and working from home is a brand new field. There is so much to learn, and as your knowledge grows, your income increases. I remember some people saying that making money online drove them to learn more about the internet and marketing. From simple PTC to running their own site, and from Google AdSense to selling ClickBank products, it involves so many things that if only people would learn more, they could make more from the internet. Way of entertainment. Some people only see making money online as a way of relaxing and entertaining themselves. To them, it's like browsing YouTube videos and reading articles. As a matter of fact, almost everything you do on the internet can make you money, such as forum posting, video uploading, writing articles, searching, sharing files, surfing, etc. Strengthen your feeling of achievement. If you get your first reward, it will encourage you to learn more. You can achieve your goal if you are encouraged. Since making online income is not as easy as it sounds, it is not something everyone can achieve. If you are already making money from your online activities, you are one step ahead of the pack. Use your business plans. Use your business experience to run things your way. No one is going to tell you that your marketing plan won't work. Nobody is going to stop you from pursuing a project because of office politics. You can expand into new markets, attract new clients, and create your own company culture. Running your own online business helps you hone your leadership skills without getting penalized for making mistakes. Shocking facts and figures. There are 3,525,744,904 Internet users in the world today. There are 1,123,185,446 total number of websites today. Digital interactions influenced retail sales to the tune of $2.2 trillion in 2015. 40% of global Internet users have bought products or goods online. A single second of delay in your website loading time can result in a 7% loss in conversion, and 40% of web users will abandon a website if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load. Worldwide B2C e-commerce sales reached $1.7 trillion in 2015, and it is estimated to reach $2.35 trillion by 2018. 8 out of 10 consumers will shop online if offered free shipping. Personalized recommendations can increase conversion rates by up to 5.5 times. An increase in site speed from 8 to 2 seconds can boost your conversion rate by 74%. E-commerce sales from social media grew by 202% in 2014 and is expected to further increase. Mobile advertising spend is projected to account for 60.4% of all digital advertising spend by 2016 and 72.2% of all digital advertising spend by 2019. Spending on digital marketing is projected to increase by 12% to 15% on average. Social media's share of the total marketing budget will grow from 10% in 2015 to 14% this year, while spending on offline advertising will fall 2%. After SEM, online display advertising, banner ads, and retargeting capture the biggest share of online spending at 34%, representing roughly 10% of total marketing budgets. The average person now spends more time online than with TV and all other media, newspapers, magazines, etc., combined. Total spending on Internet advertising is predicted to grow 12.9% next year. The Internet will become the largest medium for advertising in 2016, ahead of TV.